my name's Amy Johnston. I'm Principal Product Marketing Manager at Camunda. So I do all kinds of product marketing activities like messaging, positioning, working on our product releases, analyst relations, all that good stuff. One thing that's different about CamundaCon this year is that we're in New York for the first time for the in-person experience, and I think that's really exciting. Camunda has such a global community of customers and users and open source contributors and partners. So it's just cool that really no matter where you live, you can participate in CamundaCon live. I'm always excited to hear customer stories at CamundaCon. We work with such a wide variety of industries. So it's always really interesting to hear about the different use cases and business problems that people are solving with Camunda. Looking at the agenda this year, we have financial services companies like First American and Capital One. We have Cisco as a technology company. We've got big retailers like Walmart and Lowe's. I think their use cases are always really interesting. And we've also got some partners speaking about use cases and customer stories that they've worked on, like Booz Allen, Capgemini, BP3. So it's really cool to see the diversity of topics. And I'm also really excited that we're doing a hybrid event again. I mean, I really believe that Camunda has set the bar for hybrid conferences like this, with our virtual attendees being fully integrated into the event, not just watching, but able to participate live. As a moderator, I really feel the presence of the virtual audience. So I really think even for the people who aren't able to make it to New York this year, they're still going to have a great experience. Process orchestration, process automation, that's our bread and butter. And because we do business process orchestration, we really sit at this conjunction between the technology side and the business side. So when you attend CamundaCon, you'll talk to people who are software developers, enterprise architects, but they might also call themselves business technologists. Or I've even met people who say, yeah, I'm here, I don't really consider myself to be technical, but I'm the subject matter expert. I'm a process owner. So they work really closely with the people who do the automation part. CamundaCon is, of course, an amazing learning opportunity, not just from the talks, but also from the conversations you have with people. But also, it's a lot of fun. I really think that it's just really fun to attend. Obviously, it's fun to attend in person and eat and drink together, get to know each other, meet some people you might not ever meet because you work in different industries or you live in different countries. But also, you can do virtual networking. You can chat with Camunda consultants and DevRel team virtually through our online experience. So I think it's learning and it's fun at the same time. I think scale is especially interesting. If you're talking to technical people, they're probably thinking scale in terms of like what we talk about with ZB, which is executing thousands or millions of process instances every minute, being able to have redundancy if a cluster goes down, like these really technical topics that are about scaling so that you can do more business, run more transactions. But scale is also important on the business side. I know we have at least one and maybe a couple of presentations about automation centers of excellence, which is a really hot topic over the past couple of years. And that's about how do you scale automation inside your business. So that can mean automating more processes. That can mean taking processes that are partially automated and increasing the level of automation, or making the automation smarter so that we make sure that people only have to do work when it really makes sense.